I'm gonna make some smoky guacamole. We're going to use a roasted slice of onion, 2 roasted garlic cloves, and a roasted serrano chile. This is not your average guacamole at all. I'm gonna mash with some salt, the juice of 1 lime. And I like guacamole to stay chunky, so it's okay if the paste is not like completely smooth. I'm gonna chop some cilantro. You can see that mixture in there, and then I'm gonna add 3 ripe avocados. I'm just gonna coarsely dice it in here. And then just... It is definitely a Oaxacan-inspired guacamole. Simple, but so delicious. So good. It's like the roasted ingredients, they really make it shine, like they bring it to the top of that guacamole bowl. It's so good.